As conversations start flowing into front, it's not just about managing messages. It's about understanding the people behind them. That's where contacts and accounts come in. A contact represents an individual person you're communicating with. When someone reaches out, Front automatically creates a contact so your team can start building context right away. You can view and update contact details directly from the conversation. In the sidebar, you'll see their profile, including past conversations, and you can add information like name, phone number, or custom fields. You can also manage contacts more broadly in the Contacts Manager, where you can search, edit, and organize your contact records at scale. Now, while contacts represent individuals, accounts represent the companies or organizations those individuals belong to. You can link a contact to an account directly from the sidebar or create and manage accounts from your account settings. Once connected, multiple contacts can be grouped under the same account, giving your team a full view of that relationship. Accounts also support shared fields, like contract value or customer tier, and allow your team to see all conversations across that company in one place. Both contacts and accounts support custom fields, which let you track the information that matters most to your business, like account manager, subscription plan, or priority level. To update these fields, you can edit the contact or account profile directly from the sidebar or within the Contacts Manager. As your workflows evolve, this structured data becomes incredibly powerful. It can be used to filter conversations, support reporting, and even power automation and routing. At the end of the day, contacts and accounts turn conversations into relationships, giving your team the context they need to respond clearly, collaborate effectively, and scale your operations.